I'm going to show you how to set up one-click access to the NOAA weather radio with the TIDRadio TD-H3. What you'll need is the OD Master software saved on your phone, and you'll have to use those settings to connect by Bluetooth to your radio. So to start off with the radio first, you'll need to hold the blue button here, and that'll turn on Bluetooth on the radio. You can see from this little indicator there. Once that's on, you'll have to select the model of radio that you have. So with that, click TIDRadio. Click the wrong one. Scroll down to the TD-H3. Once you've selected that, you have to pair it with it. So it'll find that radio. And when it's found that radio, you just have to turn it on, Bluetooth, and it'll connect to it. Once it shows that it's connected to the device, you just click read. And it'll read the information that's saved on your radio. It doesn't take very long to go through and read everything off of your radio. It doesn't have much memory on there to load back and forth, so just have to wait for that. Once that's loaded on here, you have your different channels you can adjust through the radio, through the app, but you want to go to function. Once you click function, you scroll through these settings until you find long key PF1. That's the one button, the bottom one on the left side here. What you're going to be doing with that is you're going to program that button to long press and turn on NOAA radio. The way it comes from the factory, if you just click it once, you'll go through your light options on here, turn it on, make it flash, and then turn it back off again. But what we want to do is set up for a long press on here. So click long key, tap it, scroll down to the bottom, and it'll have a weather option. Once you click that for the weather option, that'll be for the long press. Just click write, and it'll write that information, and it basically rewrites everything with all the settings that's on here over to your radio. So you can make any other changes you want at that time, but it'll just load everything back over to it. And then you just hit confirm, and then it's basically saved on there. So if you go to your radio now and just on this lower button on the left, if you just click it one time, it'll turn that light on, flash. But now that you've changed the settings, if you long press it, it'll load up straight into the weather radio channels. And it has all of the, I think it's 11 stations that's on there. So you can scroll through to whatever station works best for you. And sometimes certain regions can pick up 3 or 4 different weather forecasts. Like for me, I live in upstate South Carolina, so I can pick up Georgia, North Carolina, and some of the South Carolina weather stations. But for me, this one picks up the best. So now that you've got it set on there, it's just a long press on that and it'll pop your weather radio right up. And that's all you got to do to save it, and just one click makes it real easy. So if this helps you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.